1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
You are not going to believe what happened after our trip. I think I left my phone in the taxi. I got home, dropped my bags, and then suddenly realized my mobile phone was missing.
Oh no! That must have been so stressful. Did you try calling your phone right away, hoping the driver or another passenger would answer?
I did. I grabbed my friend's phone and dialed my number, but my phone was on silent. It just kept ringing and ringing, no answer at all.
That's the worst feeling, when you know it's out there somewhere but you can't hear it. So what did you do after that?
I tried not to panic. First, I checked my ride history in the taxi app. Luckily, the last trip was still there with the driver's name, the car's license plate, and the company info.
That's really helpful. I always forget about looking up old rides in the taxi app when I lose something. What made you think to check there?
Honestly, I just wanted to find any clue. The app had all the details I needed, so I knew I could contact the taxi company and maybe get some help.
That was really smart thinking. I'm going to remember that for next time I travel.
After that, I called customer service and said, "Could you help me? I think I left my phone in the taxi." They were so calm and kind, it really helped me stop freaking out.
That's such a good, simple way to say it. What did they ask you for?
They needed my trip details, the time where I got in and out of the taxi, and which seat I sat in. I gave them everything from the app.
Sounds like they took it seriously. Did they promise to call you back after they checked with the driver?
Yes, they said they'd talk to the driver and also check the lost and found. All I could do was wait and leave my friend's number. Waiting was honestly the hardest part.
I get that. It's so hard not knowing. Were you just glued to your friend's phone hoping for news?
Exactly. I kept imagining someone else finding my phone and keeping it. Every minute, I checked the phone, just hoping for a call.
That must have felt like forever. Did they finally call you back with any news?
After about an hour, the customer service person called. She said, "Good news, the driver found your phone. It was under the seat." I wanted to cry from relief.
Of course, under the seat. That's where everything hides. What did you have to do to get it back?
They told me to come to the taxi office. The lost and found desk had my phone waiting. I showed my ID and unlocked the screen so they knew it was mine.
That's such a happy ending. I bet you thanked everyone a million times.
Totally. I kept saying, "Thank you for your help," to the customer service team, the person at the lost and found, even the driver. I was just so grateful to have my phone back.
So, what's your top advice for anyone who loses something in a taxi?
3 tips. Call your phone right away. Check the taxi app for your ride history. And always check the seat before getting out. Simple, but it could save a lot of stress.
Great advice, Call. Check the app and look around before you leave. And if you do lose something, don't panic. Just report it fast. Most drivers want to help.
Exactly. Thanks for listening to my story. I hope everyone keeps their phones safe next time they travel. See you soon.